We are in Ruby, Alaska. It's snowing like gangbusters. We're not flying out, but which is fine because now we get another opportunity to do a face of Iditarod. We're going to go up here and hopefully photograph a Gabe Dunham dog up here while it's snowing, which will add to the ambiance. Gabe Dunham's team, she said we could photograph one of her dogs. She's here on her 8-hour layover. And one of the tricks to this is the dogs are keyed in on the musher. So if you notice, she's back there and all these dogs are looking towards her. So that's a great opportunity to put the background up behind the dog as they're looking at the musher. That way we don't have to throw something in the air or do something weird like that. Actually, probably on this side, I'm going to be over there. So if you're right here, Jim. Hey guys. Yeah. And all I have to do is that. Okay. The light looks good. And then what I'm going to do is try to get his attention. I'm going to get nice and low here so I get just the background back there. He's looking great. Don't have to get his attention. Gonna wait for that decisive moment though. And if I just make a little bit of noise. There we go. Nice job. You're a professional. That's it. That's what we need. And then we have this nice portrait with a little bit of snow on. Capturing a dog's attention, the best way, well, I shouldn't say best. One way is to throw something in the air, but the key there is you don't want to throw it way in the air, or else they go like this. You just throw it a little bit in the air just to get them to perk up. That's one way I've used a lot. But then food is a good one too, especially something new that they haven't seen or heard before. Sometimes just like I have that little plastic bag there, making some odd noise that they haven't heard before. Have a squeaky. But honestly, the squeaky toys, I don't think they get it. Something about but food or a wrapper or something like that. That's one thing. And tossing something in. Having the musher, cooking, you know, if the musher's at the sled and is working with the food or something like that, then they're all zeroed in on